1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Happy Christmas, War is Over. Since it's about that time, some weeks away from Christmas. This is a great tune. It's not for beginners. We got a lot of movement and stuff going on, so... the song is in 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay. Song is in A. Got A major, A9, A sus. Okay, so from A major, lift up your third finger on the B string, and then third fret, and then back to A major. And then we have B minor, and lift up your second finger, whatever chord that is, and then you want to lift up your fingers like that, so you hear the B and the E string. Back to B minor. So that's do, do, la, do. And then we have E sus to E major to E 2 to E major, back to A major, first chord, and then D major to the D sus, and then we have E minor, E minor major, E minor 7 to E minor. So it's a D string going. Back to A, this time we're going to start on the sus. To A major, A9, A major, and the D major. D9, D sus, D major. That's going to take us to the chorus. G major, A major, E minor, G major, D major, and end on E major. And that's going to take us back to the verse. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. A. I'm just gonna say the main chord right now. B minor, E major, A major, D major, the sus. D major. And then G. A major. E minor. G major. D major. And E. One more time. And in the ending, I think they just go, war is A, over, B minor, E, war is over, B minor. Happy Christmas to everybody. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'll be back soon. I'll be back tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy.